Hey friends, I have a terrific recipe for you today. It's my grilled hamburgers and my bacon wrapped grilled hamburgers. I will have all of your ingredients listed below as usual. And without further ado, let's get started on making these terrific juicy burgers. Okay, in my bowl, I've added my ground beef, and to that I'm adding in my seasoning blend. I'm also going to be adding in some grated onion, a packet of Lipton onion soup mix, some beef bouillon. I'm sorry, not chicken, but beef bouillon, some Worcestershire sauce, and then I'm adding in some garlic paste. If you don't want to use either the grated onion, or you don't want to use the garlic paste, you can use fresh garlic. You would just need to, I would say, mince it. And then I would say if you don't want to grate the onion, you could just dice it very small so that no one bites into a big chunk. So anyway, I'm just mixing by hand to combine. And then from there, I'm going to divide my meat into little sections, and then I'm going to pat it out into a hamburger. If you do not want to do this by hand, they do have some nice little hamburger tools on Amazon that you can purchase to actually make the patties for you yourself. I mean, without you having to do it by hand. I actually tried the little tool, but I like it actually better by hand because I think I get them to fit the burger properly. Whereas the other ones, they don't quite fit the burger bun that well. Anyway, I'm taking some slices of bacon and I've added them around the side of my bowl, and I've taken 2 strips of cheese, whichever cheese you want to use. I'm using Gouda and cheddar, and I am forming a ball, a small one. But actually these are kind of meaty, so I should have went a little bit smaller because they're pretty hearty burgers when you get to putting 2 patties together. So in one patty I'll take, and I formed it, and then I take the cheese, I put it in the middle, and then I take the other patty, I put it together, and as you can see, this is a pretty nice burger. I'm telling you, it's very hearty. It's almost like Fredericker burgers, according to my son-in-law. He was like, them are Fredericker burgers, they're so big, it's like a quarter-pound burger. But anyway, he tore that burger up. I'm gonna have to give you a shot of him eating the burger. Anyway, I just wrapped the bacon around it, and this is my bacon wrapped stuffed burger. So anyway, now I'm putting them on the grill, and those are the turkey burgers, you guys. And I'm gonna take those toothpicks out with the bacon wrapped around those turkey burgers. But anyway, I'm putting the hamburgers on the grill that I patted out. As you can see, they're really nice size, and then I'm just going to cook them until they're done. But before that, I'm going to actually season up some onions, and I'm going to put those on the grill, and I'll show you that. And then I also put some butter on the buns, and I actually put those on the grills as well. But halfway through cooking the burgers, I did put a pat of garlic butter on top of the hamburgers to keep them moist and juicy. I do want to tell you that. But anyways, these burgers are almost done, and I will be showing you what they look like shortly. And so I want to thank you for watching the video. Give your girl a thumbs up. And I also want to say, here's your burgers. They are done, you guys. Thank you for watching, and enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.